is Tablescape Tuesday, so go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back, relax, and get yourself a snack because there will be a playlist link and you don't want to have to leave. Alright, stick around and let me share with you what I have created for this Tablescape Tuesday. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison, and it is once again Tablescape Tuesday. So what happens on Tablescape Tuesday? You will get many different creative ideas from quite a few of us creators here on the YouTube platform. Now when I looked earlier today in that in the collaboration list for Tablescape Tuesday, I think there was 307 listed tablescapes. So guys, if you ever want to look for a way that you can be creative, change out your tablescape, or get some ideas about how to style a table for whatever event that you are planning, check out that playlist link, and it is over at my sweet sister, and that is Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor. She is one of the hosts for this collaboration, as well as Courtney over at Amethyst Adventures. These two ladies host Tablescape Tuesday every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Most of the time, majority of the time, it is freestyle. Every now and again, they may have a guest host, and it will be whatever the guest host would like for the theme to be. So I'm freestyling it. I'm bringing to you once again another garden style tablescape using some of the same pieces that I used in my last tablescape, but I think this one is a little bit garden style, but very, very elegant. I mean, very, 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 very elegant, and I hope you guys will like it. Please leave me a comment down in the comment section. If you're new, give me that big old thumbs up. And guys, enjoy yourselves. Enjoy yourselves here, and then go over and check out that playlist of all of the other creators. I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to share with you what I have created here. Again, I'm your host, Gigi Faison, and you're always welcome here at my house. Okay, guys, as you can see, we're going to start in the center here, where I have created this centerpiece by using the same candles as I used before, and I am using the same candle holders as I had in the center before. I removed the vases that I had. Those were the clear vases, and the branches that I had in the center here with some cherry blossom garland. So I removed that out, added in my white, and I did have a green chartreuse table covering, and I've decided to go with this white table covering, and on top of it I created this centerpiece using garland that I picked up, I think maybe from Hobby Lobby. I'm not quite sure where I got this from. And then these picks I picked up from Michael's, but as you can see, these are like the shimmery silver and then the baby blue. So I just added the picks into the garland. On top of it, I added these very colorful, some floral balls that I picked up from consignment maybe last year or year before. But that's one of those things when you see out when you are thrifting or at consignment. Now these I've never seen in a store, so I don't know where they came from, but it was one of those things. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I'm pretty sure I will use them. So I picked them up, and I think they are going to work perfectly for this table here. My very elegant, very fancy summer garden stated before, I am using the same charger plates, dinner plate, and the bowl. The napkin, my napkins I switched out, and so did I switch out my napkin rings. Now these napkin rings are almost identical to my place settings, and I did not buy these at the same place or the same consignment shop. These were thrifted in one consignment shop, and these were at another. But don't they work very well together? So guys, let me know what you think of my very elegant summer garden tablescape. I've added in my wine glass, water glass, my flatware, and this is it. This is it for Tablescape Tuesday. Hope you guys have enjoyed what I have shared with you on this beautiful day. Alright guys, leave me a comment in the comment section. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you're always notified of any and all up and coming videos. Oh guys, and also I have changed out my seat coverings. Now these I purchased Temu, and I will have them listed in a haul that will be coming up real soon. But tell me what you think about the color of these. And I don't know if it's like a gray or blue, or there's another color that I'm thinking that would be the color, but for some reason I can't think of it right now. But anyway, so I changed out the chair coverings, changed out my table covering, changed out my centerpiece, and kept and added a few pieces. Happy Tablescape Tuesday. Hope to see you next Tuesday. Be blessed, guys. And again, thanks to Anna and Courtney. the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures.